Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we're going to unbox the Sony WH-CH720N, and this is a noise cancelling wireless Bluetooth headset. And as you can see here, this pink color. You also get black, white, and blue as an options. So yeah, let's go through the headset, the box itself. So you got this 360 roll DI audio. The battery life is estimated to be 35 hours, and it has multi-phone features. Basically, you can connect to multi-device, but it's usually up to 2 devices. And yeah, and for Malaysia here, you get 3 additional warranty if you register the warranty, the unit. And you can see it's all paper. Got this under 300 ringgit. That's very good for the for headphones, wireless headphones with noise cancelling feature. In particular, this is by Sony. So Sony is known for very good noise cancelling. And yeah, 3-minute charge gets you up to 60 minutes of playtime. Has also supports phone calls, and lightweight and comfortable design. So this is less than 200 grams. So that is actually quite light and comfortable. You get the equalizer app, of course, if you use it on Android, iPhone. And then inside the box it gives you the headphone cables. So without further ado, let's unbox it. Now this is all paper packaging, so nothing too much, and I think it has 1-year warranty. So with the additional 3 months, you get 15 months if you register the unit. And yeah, so this is the what's inside the box, but we'll take this out. The headphone is nicely wrapped, and you get this USB-H USB-C charging cable. It's pretty short, meant for charging only. And then you get this 3.5 to 3.5 mm head jack cable. One is 90-degree angle, so you can use it. And then you get these manuals here. And then we'll skip that out. So pretty basic. This is the headphones itself in pink, and honestly I like this color very much. It's a little bit purplish pink, but it has its unique color. So off of it, it's very light. This is plastic body with metal frame. Very good steppings. Also, you got some head pads on here, although if you look at it on top here, I think this is a very thin headband. I think this is how they save weight. And the ear cups can swivel 90 degrees, so you can see for ease of carrying, you can put it on your neck. Quite sturdy, and the clamp force is not so strong to me, so I guess it's pretty good. And the ear cups can move a little bit like that. So the ear pads feels pretty okay. And yeah, it's not a lot of depth, but remember this is less than 200 ringgit wireless with noise cancelling feature. But I don't know why, if you can see it, you can see this thing. So there's something that protrudes out under the earphone, so take note of that. Then you got this left and right logo here. Red is in right side is on red color. Yeah, so feels okay. I mean, it's very lightweight, but I think they're sturdy. But given that they use metal, I think this is aluminum. It should be quite sturdy for extended use, long time use. So let me see the I think this is microphones on both sides. This is definitely for noise cancelling, and perhaps some microphone here as well on top of the ear cups for noise cancelling. And then on the left ear cup, you got this power button, and which doubles out as a Bluetooth button, and the USB-C for charging, headphone jack. And on your right here, we got this volume up, stop, play button, and volume down, as well as noise cancelling or pass through, I believe, or activate. So yeah, I've listened to it. It's very comfortable on my head, simply because of its lightweight. And then the sound quality wise, to me, is less bass but a lot clearer. I think it's also quite to me. I'm not an audio guy, but it does sound a bit like my WH-CH720N. That's the feeling I get. So yeah, for under 300 ringgit, and if you want to have headphone like this, for some people who doesn't like to have earbuds, yeah, this works well, and you can wear it for a long time because it's just comfortable, lightweight, and the battery lasts you 35 hours, maybe less if you turn on the noise cancelling feature with loud volumes. But the connectivity is pretty seamless, stable connection, and you can play around with the equalizer on your phone. Just download the Sony, I think it's Sony Connect or something. Yeah, so yeah, that's all my impression on these headphones. If you ask me, for less than 300, and with comfort, lightweight, noise cancelling, wireless Bluetooth, I'll go with CH720N. And I think this model has been out for quite years, and I hope Sony refreshes it soon. But other than that, the build quality feels okay, just okay. Of course, it's mostly plastic surfaces, and the wiggles feels okay as well. Hope it doesn't snap. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you found this useful, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye bye.